Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 BMW K1300S with ABS brakes. This is a gentleman's super sport, hyper sport I should say, 1300 cc's, inline 4-cylinder, liquid cooled fuel injection. This bike is a rocket, 175 horsepower, 103 foot-pounds of torque, shaft drive, sport look but comfortable riding position. This is the K40 dynamic version, which has all of the options. That includes clutchless upshifts, just like the drag strip, electronic suspension adjustment, so you can adjust your suspension on the fly without pushing a button. Near new tires, 23,000 miles. It's been fully serviced. We have all the service records. We have the owner's manual. This bike's been well taken care of. It has electric hand grips, heated hand grips, tire pressure monitor, onboard computer, automatic stability control so you don't dial in too much power when you're in the corner. Bike is in excellent condition. Come by, check it out. We are over 1,500 below Kelley Blue Book average retail, only $10,999. Financing available. We have extended service contracts. Make your super sport dreams come true with this beautifully priced BMW. Come by, check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 super clean, amazing used bikes for you. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.